It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yummity yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese.
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
Reproducing 30-second
En Vive
saga.
sabemos que los
Cambian y nos encanta decir que sí. Con el boleto más poderoso de México.
What is that up in the sky? Ow!
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos at the park, over the yard. Put on your bike helmet, cause they're coming down hard. Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos. Guacamole, sour cream. Is it a nightmare or is it a dream?
Is it a dream?
They're crunchy and they're fried.
So fried.
And they're falling from the sky.
From the sky.
You might wanna stay inside.
Look out! Ow, my eye!
Newsflash, important information. Taquitos coming down all over the nation. Portland, Denver, Austin, Poughkeepsie. It's a taquito apocalypse.
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos. Run for cover, don't be slow. There's beef and chicken and potato. Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos. Corn tortillas rolled up tight, coming down fast with no end in sight. They're greasy and they're hot.
So hot.
They keep falling from the sky. They're kind of pointy, so they hurt a lot.
Dude, watch out! Ow! My other eye! Oh, why? What is that? It's the Taco Boss 3000. He's shooting the taquitos with his taco ray and turning them into harmless tacos. We're saved! Hooray! It's a miracle!
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos.
Chicken, potato, cheese.
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos.
Beef, chicken, potato, cheese.
Once again, thanks to the Taco Bot 3000, humanity was saved. Or was it? Ow! My first eye again!
Reproducing 30 saga.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, lettuce.
Taco Bite 3000. Serving up the tacos, get 'em hot, hot, hot. Taco Bite 3000. When you want some tacos, call the Taco Bot. Taco Bot. We need a whole lot of tacos, expertly created by a robot at the highest level of quality. Taco Bot, artificial taco intelligence for maintaining maximum deliciousness with the latest cheese dispensing technology. Taco Bot, Taco Bot, Taco Bot, Taco Bot, Taco Bot.
Evil villains try and stop him, wanna crush his shells and steal his toppings. Taco flavor keeps on rocking. Taco Bot keeps taco butting.
Saving the world from not having tacos. Saving the world from not having tacos. Taco Bot. Taco Bot. Taco Bot.
Okay,
class, let's begin. What is 4?
Quesadillas frozen.
Quesadilla explosion. Quesadilla explosion. Quesadillas are flying all over town. Tortillas and cheese, they're sailing on the breeze. Over buildings and trees, now they're coming down. Something went terribly wrong at the factory. Don't worry, no one was hurt, 'cause they care about safety. Safety, except for the explosion. We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. Pick 'em up off the lawn, it'll be alright. We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. Pull 'em out of the bushes and down from the trees. You can pick off the extra leaves. Everybody chow down, it's a quesadilla feast. And then we'll rebuild the factory.
Cheese. Tortilla. Cheese. Tortilla. Teal. Cheese. Tortilla. Tortilla. Cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Tortilla. Cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Cheese.
It's a delicious explosion.
Abolishing that fried saga of Brenda.
Taco.
Spaghetti.
Plus.
Spaghetti equals yum.
Taco spaghetti, people get ready for a cuisine that's delicious and fun. Taco toppings on spaghetti noodles, two incredible foods combined into one. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. Spaghetti and taco, it's got me in awe, 'cause it's just so yummy and satisfying. A remarkable flavor right in your face. When you take a big bite, your taste buds will be flying. Taco flavor applied to our spaghetti-based delivery system. An innovative and satisfying melding of technologies covering cheese.
Using science, we can combine the incredible flavor essence of taco with the awesome noodle power of spaghetti.
Noodles, meat, tomatoes, cheese. Noodles, meat, cheese.
Don't forget the cheesy cheese. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. Taco spaghetti
Yes.
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever. Taco spaghetti
Yes.
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever. Taco spaghetti
Noodles,
for you and me. Taco spaghetti
tomatoes,
forever.
Cheese.
noodles,
For you and me. Taco
tomatoes,
Cheese. Taco. Plus.
spaghetti equals yum.
Chinese saga by 6 saga. And it's called the tortilla mama. Last. And
Emergency! We've got a situation up on Bean Dip Mountain. What is it? It looks like tortilla chips.
Tortilla avalanche, can you hear the sound? Chips are coming down, they're headed for the town now. Tortilla avalanche, they're crunchy and they're salty. We've got to eat them all, 'cause they're headed for the mall. It's a tortilla avalanche.
Oh, is it a dream? People are screaming for guacamole. Tortilla avalanche. Everybody, we've got to come together and save the town.
2 tanker trucks of guacamole, and a helicopter load of nacho cheese.
Got to keep on dipping.
Dip, 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 dip.
Got to keep on crunching.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Got to keep on dipping.
Dip, 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 dip.
Got to keep on crunching.
Crunch, 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 crunch.
Can you hear the sound? Chips are coming down. They're headed for the town now. Tortilla avalanche.
Oh, is it a dream? People are screaming for guacamole. Tortilla avalanche. Everybody, we've got to come together and save the town. Tortilla avalanche. We will lead and act like a team. We'll taste victory tonight. Tortilla. We got been munching on the chips on and on into the morning light.
We did it, everybody! We ate all the chips and saved the town! Hey, we've still got some guacamole left. Could we get some more chips, please?
Oh, fácil. Me compras tú. 10 personas. Acá por 30. Bo